Okay, so who are you?
My name is Liz Lazar. I'm an annual giving officer.
And what does that mean?
For the Rotary Foundation. So I am your resource when you want to get information and resources about supporting and fundraising for the annual fund for the Rotary Foundation.
Okay, cool. So tell us something about you that we should know. What's something about Liz Lazar that we should know?
Sure, something about me that you should know.
Do you like? Are you a dog person or a cat person?
Oh, something personal about me.
Yes, yes.
I'm from Wisconsin. I'm married. I have a 3-year-old. I was in the Peace Corps. The Peace Corps really brought me to Rotary, and I love working for Rotary.
Okay, awesome. So there's going to be millions of people viewing Ready, Fire, Aim. Millions.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. What's your message for them? What do you have to say for them?
My message is I'm your #1 resource, Elizabeth.Lazar@rotary.org. If you have questions about the annual fund, more specifically strategies to make the annual fund known in your clubs and in your districts, in your zone. But I also have this great team at the Contact Center, Rotary Support Center. If you need a report run, or if you need just general information, they can turn around a response for you really quickly, and that's contact.center@rotary.org.
Okay, that's a take. Thank you.
Great, thanks.